The Indian Navy is exploring options to expand the weapons arsenal for its fleet of P-8I multi-purpose airborne patrol aircraft to enhance its maritime surveillance and anti-submarine warfare capabilities. The Navy is considering a range of weapons, including air-to-ship missiles, torpedoes, and depth charges, to equip the P-8I MPA with a wider range of offensive capabilities. The P-8I MPA is a long-range maritime reconnaissance and anti-submarine warfare aircraft currently equipped with anti-submarine torpedoes and sonobuoys. The Navy is looking to expand the aircraft's capabilities by adding air-to-ship missiles, such as the Brahmos or Naval Anti-Ship Missile, NASM, to enable it to conduct anti-ship strikes. In a significant boost to its anti-tank capabilities, the Indian Army is set to procure 500 HELINA anti-tank guided missiles, ATGMs, from state-owned defense manufacturer Bharat Dynamics Limited, BDL. The HELINA is an indigenously developed next-generation ATGM that is designed to destroy enemy tanks and armored vehicles at ranges of up to 10 kilometers. The HELINA ATGM is equipped with a tandem warhead that can penetrate the thickest tank armor, and it can be launched from a variety of platforms, including helicopters, ground launchers, and UAVs. The missile's advanced guidance system ensures high precision and accuracy, even in complex battlefield conditions. The Indian Army is set to induct the Hermes 900 Starliner drones into its arsenal, marking a significant step forward in its modernization efforts. These advanced medium-altitude, long-endurance, male unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, will significantly enhance the Army's surveillance and reconnaissance capabilities, providing it with real-time intelligence and situational awareness over vast areas of terrain. The Hermes 900 Starliner drones are capable of flying for up to 40 hours at a stretch, with a maximum altitude of 30,000 feet. They are equipped with a suite of high-resolution sensors, including electro-optical infrared (EOIR) cameras, synthetic aperture radar (SAR), and electronic intelligence (ELINT) systems, enabling them to gather detailed imagery, terrain data, and electronic signals.